All right, g'day guys, here we are at the Aftermarket Expo here in Melbourne. Got Jeff here from SmartSafe. I've actually been in the market for a scan tool that we can use for the BYD, the Shark, the DENZAs and GWMs that we're doing in our workshop. So I've actually come across these guys here, and I've actually spent the last 1 hour going through this particular scan tool, the P01 SmartSafe unit, and I'm actually finding this to have a lot of the models that we're working on. Had a good discussion with Jeff and Victor here at the booth, and I'm actually going to purchase one of these. So we're going to take a stab and see how this goes. They are also the same people that do launch, if you're familiar with different other scan tools. Jeff, can you just tell me a little bit about the product?
So this is our P01 EV specialized scanner. Comes with 3 years of software updates, and will cover like most Australian delivered EVs on the market, especially those you guys work on. It's a really good price point if you want to do like your diagnosis as well as servicing your own EVs. Yeah, so come just check us out if you're at the AEEE show in Melbourne.
As you know, it's an honest review, so I'm actually going to give this a workout. We're going to use it on all the vehicles we get in, the plug-in hybrid, the electric, and even some other brands. I don't know what other brands, but my focus is actually the Chinese brands at the moment. So on this channel, we'll do some series of how this unit works, how you can use it, and why you might want to buy one, because the price point of these are actually quite affordable for a consumer, which has actually attracted myself. So click the link below if you want to learn more. And I just want to bring Michael up. Michael actually, just before Michael said, I know you from a show where you were at another show, and he just couldn't work it out. And then a few minutes later, he was like, YouTube. So Michael, you've got to meet me. How does it feel?
Excited. Yeah. I saw a lot of video on YouTube about different BYD, DENZA.
Yep.
Yeah.
And what do you think of this unit? Have you used this unit a lot?
Yeah.
And you think it's good?
Yeah.
So you reckon I'll have no problems with this?
No problem at all.
Excellent.
I'm a technician. I will give you the technical support if any problems.
Excellent, guys. So that also means that if you end up buying one of these and you need some support, you know you can come to our channel and ask us the questions, and I'll go hassle Michael and we'll get your solution sorted. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.